How to lock Facebook profile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can lock your Facebook profile if your profile lock option is not showing. So let us get started. First of all, head over to your Facebook. After you head over there, tap on menu on the bottom right and then go to your profile. After you're there, tap on the three dots right beside your profile's name and you'll get redirected to profile settings. Now under there, what you'll need to do is scroll down till you see turn off professional mode. Now the reason you cannot find the lock option is because you have turned on your professional mode. Now if you still want to lock your profile or make it private without turning off your professional mode, you do it like this. So first head over to your profile and tagging settings, and after you're there, in this viewing and sharing and tagging, make sure all of this is implemented on only me. So just select only me. Make sure that you've toggled that button off too. So tagging and implied mentions also only me. When you're tagged into post, that also only me. Make sure that all of your settings are set to the most private option as possible. And after you do so, that is the most private you can make your profile with turning on your professional mode. Now, if you want to turn off your professional mode and then lock your profile, simply head over to your profile again. Tap on the three dots right beside advertise and then scroll down. Under there you should see turn off professional mode. Tap on it, tap on continue, and then tap on turn off. After you've done that, wait for a bit and it should get turned off quite soon. Now as you can see, professional mode turned off successfully option has come up. Now close this. Now you can simply reload your just apps on this side, open up your Facebook again, and then head over to your menu. Head over to your profile, tap on the three dots, and you should see lock profile option pop up. Tap on lock profile and then lock your profile. After you tap on lock profile, your profile is now locked, and that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.